In my experience, I've found that NPC miniatures are some of the most frequently needed yet most elusive miniatures to actually find. I'm talking about peasants, villagers, commoners, whatever you want to call them. The pieces that populate settlements and cities, the ones that help DMs shape the plot of their campaign, the people that make buying and selling possible, and the ones that heroes do quests for. It seems like every miniature out of the box either has some sort of weapon or is casting a spell. As a DM, you don't have very many options for townsfolk, and because there are actually so few out there, it's easy to spot the same few over and over in every channel and tabletop you play at. Who else has seen this guy one too many times to not view him as some sort of interdimensional time traveler? In this video, we're going to finally glob some clay onto our armatures and throw together some admittedly peasant level NPCs. This method is easy enough to do without really any crafting experience, and it's repeatable enough for DMs to be able to whip up a fresh batch of NPC miniatures for each campaign, or setting even if they want. So let's jump in. So there's the build, and while I can't say I'm super proud with how it came out, I can say that I am mildly proud for a first try. Particularly this guy.
Stay a while and listen.
My only regret is that it took me almost 9 months to finally get around to putting the video together and upload it. I've been making minis like this for a while, but I think this is the most effort I've put into D&D scaled humans. I think most importantly to me, this is not something I've seen before on YouTube, so that's what makes me most excited to share it, I guess. I don't want to reinvent the wheel here. My goal with this channel is to blaze my own unique trail in the crafting community as much as possible, and for me that means focusing on making D&D scaled humanoid miniatures from scratch as simplistically and cheaply as possible. At the time of filming this clip, I've already completed my next 2 sets of minis, and I'm planning to continue leveling this skill as much as possible. Wherever this video reaches, I hope you found the video entertaining and maybe inspires you to try to make minis of your own. I know these guys don't look very good, but I had a blast making them, so I'm going to keep doing it, I think. And crafting is kind of where I go to get lost in my imagination and let go of the intense stress of my daily life, so being able to share the process is truly awesome. Thanks so much for watching, and stay tuned for more mini making. Let me know what you thought of the build.
A foul beast approaches. Call in the reinforcements!